cutest thing. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh, it's like a slime. I can't stop smelling it. I'm like trying to talk to you, but... Oh, okay, wait. I hope you guys are doing well and are having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited for today's video because I received an email a couple of days ago asking if I wanted to receive some of this collection, and I was like, are you kidding? Like, I absolutely really want to receive some of this range and share it with you guys because I know you guys love Lush and I know you guys love an unboxing, and this range is just so cute. Like, for any of you guys out there who love Paddington, I am screaming, crying, throwing up. I cannot wait to dive into this. So without further ado, of course, we are going to be unboxing some of the Lush Paddington range. I do just want to say a few things. So obviously, first and foremost, thank you so much to Lush for just sending me this parcel. Like, it's honestly so generous and I'm so thankful. It does not go unnoticed and it just honestly makes my day. Like, you have made my day today, so thank you so much. And also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a Lush affiliate link which is always down below. If you ever want to buy anything from Lush, please feel free to use it. You don't have to, but a lot of the times there are free perks, like for you guys for using it, if that makes sense. So you get free products and things like that. I think at the moment it's a free ultra bland cleanser. I will have to check to see if that still is. It might have changed by now, but do just double check. And yeah, it is always down below. But that being said, let's dive into this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. That rhymed. You're kidding. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. It's a little briefcase, like a suitcase. No, stop, because the detail on that packaging is absolutely insane. Look at the back. That is stunning. Honestly, why do I want to keep this? Like, this is so cute. Stop. It opens like an actual suitcase. Stop it. Look at the inside. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay, so firstly, we have some absolutely adorable Paddington Bear stickers. Like, you're kidding. Those are so cute. And his little sandwich. The ducks. Don't. That is adorable. And we also have inside a little note. So it says, peruse this limited edition collection made with fresh vegetarian ingredients and some seriously good manners. Take a dip among citrusy bubbles and shimmering orange waters with a marmalade sandwich bubble rune, or rinse off in true Paddington style with marmalade body wash, packed with all of the oranges a bear could ever want. Like Paddington, we believe in making the world a better place, which is why we worked hard to ensure our fresh ingredients are sourced responsibly, safeguarding the environment and the social impact. Aunt Lucy would be very proud. Marmalade sandwich, anyone? That's so cute. I actually can't cope. Like, this is so cute. Like, don't, because I'm going to start crying in a minute. I actually can't cope with that. Okay, let's dive in. I'm too excited. Okay, so the first item we have is the Paddington Marmalade Body Wash. You are kidding. This is adorable. Again, the packaging is so good. I just feel like they smash it. There's like bits of orange peel inside, like actual marmalade. That's so cute. Okay, ingredients wise in this one, we have got things. Also, I'm going blind because like I literally can't read this, so bear with me. Ingredients wise, we have got bergamot oil, we have got orange peel, we have got honey, we have got petitgrain oil, we have also got orange blossom. I'm so excited. Let's give it a smell. Oh, it's like a slime. Oh wait, is it like a shower gel? Is it just in different packaging maybe because of the orange peel? Oh my gosh, I fear this is going to go everywhere. Stop. Oh my god, that smells. I'm salivating. Honestly, that's delicious. That smells incredible. Oh, it's so fresh and fruity. That smells divine. Honestly, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. The only thing I don't like is that it's not in a bottle. I feel the bottle would have been a bit easier to maneuver, but I love the packaging. I think it's beautiful and I'm just very excited about that. Okay, so the next item we have is the soap. This is so cute. Please look after this bear, thank you. Don't, because this is so adorable. So this is the soap and this is called Please Look After This Bear, Thank You. In terms of ingredients, this one has things like coconut oil, bergamot oil, we've also got Brazil nut oil, and we also have orange peel extract. Ooh, okay, wait. It smells kind of like Honey I Washed the Kids, but it's very, very mild. It smells delicious though, but it's giving Honey I Washed the Kids kind of vibe, like a very creamy, subtle honey smell. That's really good. Oh, I love it. That's also so cute. Like, how adorable is that? Oh, feel like I can't smell it enough. That's so, so nice. Oh my goodness. The next item is probably the one item in this collection that I have been the most excited about, because as soon as I saw it, I just knew it was gonna have to, like, I was gonna have to get one because of how adorable it is. And that is the Marmalade Sandwich Bubble Rune. Like, you're telling me that's not the cutest bubble bar you've ever seen. It's got bite marks taken out of it. It is so cute. What is that smell? That's delicious. That is the nicest. It's giving orange. Honey, I washed the kit. I'm salivating. Like, honestly, my mouth is watering smelling this. That is delicious. Oh my goodness. I can't stop smelling it. I'm like trying to talk to you, but oh, so good. Okay, ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like leafy butter, cornstarch, orange oil, petitgrain oil, bergamot oil, Brazil nut oil. Oh, so good, but sorry, but just take another look at it, guys. That is the most adorable thing I have ever seen. Like, I love that. Also, it's got a lot of weight to it. Like, I feel like you could easily get 4 baths out of that. Oh, that's delicious. Oh my goodness. And of course, I had to save this little guy for last. This is the Paddington Bath Bomb. How adorable is he? Like, he actually makes me want to cry my eyes out. He's got a little raincoat on and a little hat. He is so cute. In terms of ingredients with this one, we've got orange peel, we've got vanilla, we have got gardenia extract, we've also got sweet wild orange oil. Did I say that already? Oh, I just got him on my face. I'm not even kidding. Like, in my lip balm, which is gross. He kind of smells like butterball. Is that right? Like, he smells like a butterball to me. Very subtle. But he has that, and this sounds really weird, but I've always said it. Like, butterball to me, it smells like baking soda. Like, it smells how I imagine baking soda to smell. Do you know what I mean? So, like, when I smell it, it's a very subtle, but sort of hits you in the back of the throat smell. But I love the design. That is absolutely adorable. Like, I couldn't imagine a better design apart from this one. Like, that is so cute. Oh, absolutely delish. So those are all of the products that Lush sent me from the Paddington range. Again, thank you so, so much to Lush for sending me these products. Honestly, you don't ever have to, but it is so appreciated. And it truly makes my day. Like, honestly, as I'm filming this, it is Valentine's Day, and that is just the best gift ever. So thank you so, so much. I love you guys a lot, and I'm just very, very grateful. Also, again, as I did say, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is always linked down below. If you guys want to pick up any of this range, I would really appreciate it if you did use my link, but you don't have to. But it is always down below for your convenience. If you would like to, please do. That's everything. I love you guys so incredibly much. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.